So guys, let's move on to the next question. In this question, we are given that a and b are two positive integers, right? A is a positive integer and b is a positive integer. And we also know that a is equals to odd. A is an odd number, right? A is an odd integer. And then we have to find b to the power a plus 1 minus b to the power b into a to the power b is which of these following options. Okay, so now if we see this, b to the power a plus 1 minus b a to the power b, right? So we can break this into b into b to the power a into b, right, minus b a to the power b. I hope this should be fine. We just broke this down, so this becomes b to the power a into b. So this will become b a plus 1, right? And this is the same. Now what we do is that we take a b common. So we take b common. So what we get is b to the power a minus a to the power b, right? I hope this should be clear. There should be no confusion in this, right? Okay, so now we know that a is odd, but we don't know anything about b, right? So let's take two cases that, for instance, b is equals to odd, right? And we'll take another case that b is equals to even, right? Okay, so now if b is odd, let's say if b is odd, then what will be, so this is odd, right? Okay, now what will b to the power a will be? We know b is odd and a is also odd, which is given, right? So odd to the power odd, odd to the power odd, minus, we know again a is odd, which is given in the question, and we have assumed that b is also odd, so this is also odd to the power odd. I hope this is fine. So this becomes odd. So what is odd to the power odd? Odd to the power odd is odd, right? For example, 3 to the power 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 27. Okay. So odd to the power odd will always be odd. So this is odd and this will always also be odd. So this, right? Now tell me what is odd minus odd? Odd minus odd is always even. For example, 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. So odd minus odd is always even. So this becomes odd into even, right? This part becomes even and this part is odd. Now what is odd into even? Odd into even is always even. For example, 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 6, 18. The point is that if you multiply an even number, then it becomes even only, right? So this will always be even, right? I hope this should be clear. Okay, now let's talk about if b is equals to even. So if b is equals to even, this means even and this part, right? Now the point is that I don't need to solve this entire thing because I know that irrespective of whatever there is inside this, it can be odd or it can be even. I don't care. Why? Because this is even, right? So even if there is even into even will be even. But even if there is odd over here, still even into odd will be even. So irrespective of anything, the answer over here will be even, right? So this is also even. So what I mean is that even if you take b is equals to odd, this part, this thing will come even, and even if you take b is equals to even, this will still come to be even. So this is always even no matter what. That is why your answer is the B option, the second option, which is even. I hope this is clear.